Center for the Ethiopian Educational Information and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello teacher, hello students. Welcome to today's lesson about the composition of Earth's atmosphere. Last time we discussed the causes and effects of the external force of erosion. Today I will explain the meaning of the term atmosphere, and we will learn about its composition and layers. Are you ready to get started, everyone? The air that surrounds the Earth is called the atmosphere. It is a sort of envelope of transparent, colorless, tasteless, and odorless gases found above the Earth's surface. You might think that our atmosphere is mostly made of oxygen. In fact, it is more than 3/4 nitrogen. The breakdown is as follows: 78% nitrogen, 20.95% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.03% carbon dioxide. The remaining 0.09% of the Earth's atmosphere consists of rare gases: hydrogen, ozone, methane, neon, helium, krypton, xenon, and carbon monoxide. Let us pause the lesson and do an activity. Please form into your discussion groups. Working with your group, rank the atmosphere's gases from the most common to the least common.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up! Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello, students. I hope that your group had a productive discussion. Here is the correct order of the atmosphere's gases from the most common to the least common. Well done, everyone. The atmosphere is not only made out of gases, it also contains dust particles and condensed moisture droplets, which are collectively known as aerosols. There are 4 layers which make up Earth's atmosphere. The troposphere, which we are most familiar with, extends from sea level to about 16 kilometers into the sky, contains the majority of the Earth's weather and 75% of the atmosphere's mass. If you look out of the window of your classroom, it is the troposphere that is directly overhead. The highest part of the troposphere is called the tropopause. Above the troposphere, we find the stratosphere. Extending upwards to about 50 kilometers, the stratosphere contains the jet stream, the ozone layer, and has a constant temperature all year round. Its upper limit is called the stratopause. Extending from the stratopause to about 85 kilometers above sea level is the mesosphere. The coldest section of the atmosphere, the temperature decreases to nearly negative 100 degrees Celsius at higher altitudes. This is also where meteorites burn up and disintegrate due to friction. The upper surface of the mesosphere is called the mesopause. Finally, above the mesopause, there is the thermosphere. The thermosphere includes in it both the ionosphere and the exosphere. The ionosphere is a layer of electrically charged particles that reflects radio waves, and it causes the light display known as the aurora borealis. The exosphere is what we generally think of as space. Beginning at an altitude of about 500 kilometers above the Earth's surface, it has extremely low density. Very little heat can be absorbed, held, or conducted. This means that temperatures might rise as high as 1,200 degrees Celsius. Are you ready for our second activity, students? We are going to review what we have learnt about the Earth's atmosphere. Here is a list of some of the different attributes of the different layers. Try to match each attribute with the corresponding layer. For instance, next to the statement contains the majority of the Earth's weather, we would write troposphere. Do your best to identify each property. You may get started now.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. Are you ready to review your answers with me? The stratosphere has a constant temperature. The ionosphere bounces radio waves. Meteorites burn up in the mesosphere. The thermosphere incorporates two layers, the ionosphere and the exosphere. The exosphere can become as hot as 1200 degrees Celsius. The jet stream, made up of high-velocity winds, is contained within the stratosphere. The troposphere extends up from sea level. Did you correctly identify each of the qualities of the different layers, students? Great job. That brings us to the end of today's lesson. We have learnt about the Earth's atmosphere, its various layers, and its properties. Next time, we will expand on the distinction between weather and climate and begin to explore the concepts of temperature and rain. Until next lesson, thank you, teacher, and thank you, students.